Hi, I'm Brad Shannon. I'm on the hardware team here at Butterfly MX, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of our new keypad product. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Here's an installation guide. Here is the keypad itself. Here are mounting screws, anchors, and a small level. A cord, and a security screwdriver. All right, let's take a closer look at the keypad itself. We'll take it out of the plastic. The device itself is made of ABS plastic and glass, and it has an aluminum backplate. The backplate is secured to the bottom of the device with a security screw. We can remove that with the Torx screwdriver that came with the box. All right. With that, the backplate slides down and off the device. Let's take a closer look at the connection on the back of the keypad. We have a single cable that connects to the keypad. We have a connection for the door strike or relay, and a connection for the network cable, which also provides power. Screws into the device, like so. There it goes. And with that, it is secure. The product itself is just over 3 inches wide, just over 6 inches tall, and slightly over 1 inch at its widest point. That is all for the unboxing video for our keypad product. For more information, please visit butterflymx.com.